All right, so I am pissed. Why am I pissed? I'll tell you why I'm pissed. I just made a whole damn video and none of this shit recorded because I didn't resize my screen. So half the screen was showing. Ain't that a bitch? It's all good. It's your boy Crypto Yang Gang. What it do? My bad if I just busted your speaker or some shit. You know, I don't know. I'm just screaming in this bitch. But yo, listen, I'm here to give you a quick rundown of what I do to find new shit. Coins. Poo coins, whatever you want to call it. Degen coins, whatever you want to call it. This is just what I do quickly to find something, see if it checks out. If it doesn't check out, I'm on to the next one. All right. I explained all this shit in its entirety in the other video, but you can't see it because half of the shit's just not showing. So there's no point in posting it. But so I'm gonna do this quickly. Oh damn, why did I just do that? Tripping. Hold on. Gamer Dragon. All right. So what do I, oh my God. I called this back at 35. Wow. Gamer coin. This is my Discord, by the way, the big infamous. It's Crypto Yang Gang. This is my Discord. You can join it. I'll put the link in the description. I'm mad as hell because I called it at 35. It's about to crawl its way up to 2x from the call. I called it at 931. How does that make you feel? Why did I call this one out? Quick question. Why did I call this one out? Well, market cap and liquidity, check out. Click on holders here. Click on contract, click on holders. This holders is the LP holders, all right? Contracted. Okay. 99% of that is contracted. Some of it was burned, or none of it was burned, really, just barely anything. And then one of the wallets has LP in it. That's not bad, considering this has 99% of it, okay? What else are we looking at? All right, so now we're gonna go over here. This is the contract source code. Let's look up the word locked. Okay, lock time. Contract is locked until 7 days. That is good, all right? That is good. Previous owner, you do not have permission to unlock. So previous owner, who is the previous owner? Doesn't matter. We just need to know who the new owner is. Well, this new owner is a person. You know what I was hoping to see? 0x000 dead, or 00001 000. That's nice. When you see the owner is renounced and there is no owner anymore, that's always a good thing, okay? Don't get caught looking for this and then you find it in the burn wallet. You know, you want to find it here and under owner. That makes it better. Doesn't necessarily mean that this coin is not a good coin to get into, but these are just quick things that I check, okay? Next thing I'm looking at, 50% of it is burned, okay? 50% is burned. So that means we only have 50% left to work with, right? So let's do math real quick. We got 2 contracts, right? We don't know what the contracts say. We got to hope that they're locked, but 20% of 50% that is left is held in these 2 wallets, and then 10% is held in regular wallets, okay? So that right there, that equals up to 30% of 50% that is left over. All right, don't let them fool you with the math. All right, 50% is gone. So out of 50% that is left, we're looking at 20% in wallets that have contracts, and then 10% in regular wallets. So now that means that out of 50%, there's 30% being held. So that is a majority, but that's not the whole thing. All right, sometimes this thing will say 50% and you see 40% and 9%, and then the rest of them are all 0.1 point, you know what I'm saying? Don't let them fool you with the math. They're messing with you. All right, this ain't bad though. The top 2 wallets that are not contracted only carry 10. The rest of it, look how small, 0.4, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 1,300 addresses as holders. This is the total amount of holders in this. It is spread very nicely. So that's the reason why I liked Gamercoin. And as you can see, one of the first checks I usually do though is to make sure that there's some cells. Because if it's all green, it's a honeypot, usually. It's all green, it's a honeypot usually. You can keep your eye on it. If everything else checks out, but all you see is green, yeah, I mean, you look at it for a little bit. See if you see somebody sell. All right. What's a honeypot? You buy into something, you can't sell it. That's a honeypot. They be messing with the coding. They mess with the whatever it is that they do to where you cannot sell it. Okay. So that's a honeypot. A rug pull is when the liquidity is not locked and the developer pulls out all the liquidity. Whereas the liquidity is how much money is actually in the token, right? So $585. If there was not a locked liquidity or locked contract for it, the developer right now can pull out $585,000 and the tokens would be worth nothing. This coin would be worth nothing, and all you could sell it for is 2 cents. You might have $5,000 worth right now, but it'll be worth 2 cents as soon as he pulls the liquid. All right. So, but because it's locked on this one, you're good. You know, it doesn't mean hold it. I'm a momentum trader. Doesn't mean hold it. I am a momentum trader. I buy and sell sometimes within 30 seconds. Sometimes I'll hold it a little longer than that. For Gamercoin, I saw that it was a slow climb. Had I bought in at 35, I would have been holding this whole time just because of how steady this momentum is. All right. It's now changing directions. I was hoping for a dip. Let's see. Looking for a dip. These are just little, and I'm gonna make more videos with a little more information. But so far it's playing this trend. It just changed directions here. Right there. I figure maybe it'll dip back down here. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, okay, excuse me. 76. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so glad I caught that live. Somebody just bought $76,000 worth of Gamercoin. Now I'm pissed because I called this, and I'll show you where I called it because it wasn't that long ago. Where am I at? There it goes. Today at 9:35 p.m. I called this out. Gamercoin been climbing like a motherfucker. Lock liquidity 7 days. Ownership not renounced. You know, I give you guys information here in these discords. We got people in here that are amazing. They check it too. They'll check behind me just in case it's something that I missed, right? 9:35, all right? So that's 21:35 in military time. 36. You could have caught this at 36, and we are now approaching almost 2x from the call. It actually hit 2x from the call right here. 72. 36 times 2, 72. All right. You would have doubled your money had you been in the Discord and you saw it and you checked behind me and you said, you know what? Like this guy right here. Hold on. Let's see. I'm going to try to catch the dip. You know, everybody was looking at it. They liked it. That's 2x. That's a 2x right there. In less than an hour, you would have made 2x. Damn, that makes me mad because I didn't buy it. I was busy making this video as soon as I put this out. Anyway, so how do I go about looking for new coins, shitcoins? All right, I'm gonna go through it. I'm gonna show you what I do. I'll explain it while I do it. All right, so this is Ape on PooCoin. You can go to tools, hit Ape. It's gonna show you all the newest coins that are dropping. This is one of the places that I go. Not starting at the top because it's brand new. What's the point of me checking all the brand new tokens? There's no point. I'll look for something a little newer. So this is where I found DX Space, and that's this one, just chilling. But I did the DD on that, and I liked it. But we're gonna just do what I usually do. This is what I do. All right. Takes a lot of damn time, I'm telling you. Just to find one good one, you have to go through all these bad ones. All right. Look at how many tabs I have open here. It's quick too. Look, what am I looking at? Liquidity. There's no liquidity. I'm out. You know, it's quick sometimes. Look at this. No liquidity. You have no action. Oh, it has liquidity, but there are no sells, and there's nothing on here. I can't mess with it. Eclipse Moon. We got some sells. Big dump. No kind of volume. No liquidity. I'm out. Nothing. 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 Just running through these. Whale Rocket, no sells. Possible Honeypot, no liquidity. Nothing. Nothing. I'm I'm not even looking at them because I know half of them are full of shit. Lunar Goat doesn't look bad. Look, it can move quickly. This thing might move quickly. It has no liquidity. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Liquidity. Gotta like liquidity. Oh, Honeypot. No red. No sales. It could be a good one, but no sales. And there's no volume. There's no volume at all. Let's see. Let's see if anything's locked here. Nope. Not locked. Ownership might be. Nope. Doesn't even show the owner. 70% locked in the contract. The rest is burnt. Half of it anyway, or most of it, and 5% is in somebody's wallet. Be wary. 100%. No, thank you. 100% is in a regular wallet with no lock on it. Buy. Next. Oh, community dragon token. We got some sales. We got a little bit of buying action here. What kind of for liquidity? 1,500 holders. Let's check this out. Y'all are getting to see exactly what I do. 99% is being held in a regular wallet. Be careful. These are the kind of ones that if it looks like this, oh, liquidity's locked, but that could be a contract on this, right? Which they're trying to fool you. So it can still be a rug. Well, not a rug, but a dump. They could just dump this shit, right? But it is locked. We have some locked in there. What else am I going to look at? Now I want to look at the wallets here. So 18% is locked. The rest is all small. We got 43 addresses. This might be a good early one. Community Dragon. All right. All right. So typically I'll do this and I'll have some people check behind me and just see if it looks good. Sometimes it might be looking good off the rip and I'm just gonna buy it and tell them, hey, I'm in this, you know. That's just what the Discord server's for, man. Just everybody's sharing plays. If you look at our recent bangers in the Discord, we've been calling some monsters. All right. Locked. Dead. Renounced owner. 90%, so that means you're left with only 10%. Only left with 10%. It's 2, 3, 4, 5%. Almost the whole, almost everything left over. See, that's why you gotta do the math. Almost everything left over, about 8% of the 10% that's left over is in these wallets. All right, so you gotta be careful with these, man. You gotta do your math. You ain't good at math. Good luck. What did Community Dragon? Sure did. This shit has it. Yep. Sure did. Be careful. You gotta be careful. All right, Money Train. Shit got dumped up, huh? No liquid. But yeah, you can see, oh, D-Space looking like it's about to pop. But yeah, man, you know, things I look at. Why'd I pick D-Space? Because one, it's locked. The owner was renounced. The spread was decent. And there's only one contract. and that contract was on this here. The liquidity's locked. You got most of it burned. The amount of token, whatever. There are people who know better than me. They know a little more than I do. I don't know everything. All I know is what I know, and when I look at something and whether or not it looks good or not. So if you kind of see something like what I'm seeing here with DX Space or even with Gamer, then you're probably looking at something good. Look at how far Gamer has climbed. It's over 2x. Oh, well, it's at 2x now from when I called it. So, you know, now we got DX Space breaking out. So I got to cut this video short so I can go ahead and buy it. So I'm out of here. Crypto Yang Gang, holla at me. Anybody who wants to join that Crypto Yang Gang, the big infamous server, holla at me. The Discord server link will be in the description. I appreciate you guys watching. Comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if there's anything that you have questions about, or if you want a video, you know, a certain video on certain things like how to set up your trust wallet, or how to, you know, comment. Let me know what you want to learn. I will make a video of it if I know how to do it. And I'm pretty good at showing things and teaching. You know, they say I'm a good teacher, so I don't know. I'm just making a video. This is my first video on this. So, you know, I hope you guys are satisfied with what I showed you. When did I call DX Space? I just gotta throw that out there. DX, this one right here. This was at 10:03, which would be 22:03. So I called this back here at 35. Yeah, it's about the 2x. It's just about the 2x in the time that I did this video, pretty much. Yeah, there you go. Quick 2x's in here, man. I throw quick 2x's. Get in, get out. I'm a momentum trader. I'm not a holder. You want to be a hodler? Go find something else to hodl. I'm not hodling these. I'm in and out of a trade in 30 seconds. Up to maybe an hour or two. All right, so quick 2x's, quick 5x's, quick 10x's, we're out of there. Anyway, Crypto Yang Gang, appreciate you watching. Holla at your boy. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, whatever. I'm not a YouTuber. I can become one maybe one day, hopefully, if you guys share this shit. But this is a quick rundown. I'd rather do a quick video on something than to explain a whole bunch of stuff that you guys will not understand. So that's just how I look for new ones. I'm gonna make a video here soon about how to set up your trust wallet. So, you know, let me get 20. Let me get 10 comments. Let me get 20 likes. And you know, I might make another one. All right. We're gonna start doing giveaways and all that stuff too in the server. So join the Discord. Anyway, it's your boy Yang. I'm out of here. Appreciate you guys for watching, man. I do nothing but raw, uncut videos. All right, I don't have time for all that other bullshit. So you guys are getting all raw, uncut footage. This is all live. All right, holla at y'all.